What is up mga boss? So today, meron tayo ditong 13,000 PC build. Oo, tama ka, 13,000 lang. Na good for gaming, editing, at kahit ano pang task na gusto mo. Meron ka ng AMD Ryzen 5 34G with 16GB RAMs, 512GB NVMe, na kayang-kaya maglaro ng mga latest games at decent settings. So pakita ko lang guys na AMD Ryzen 5 34G talaga siya at 16GB RAM. Dahil ite-testing natin to sa mga latest games. So guys, ito, mag-open pa ako ng YouTube at the same time maglalaro ako ng Valorant. As we can see guys, we're running around 100 plus FPS at medium settings at 1080p. So kung makikita nyo guys, super smooth pa rin ang gameplay nito. Kahit nag-multitask tayo. Sa halagang 13,000, magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong PC build. So for our next game, we're playing the NBA 2K24 at 1080p at medium settings. So as you can see guys, we're stable at 50 to 60 FPS. Then for our next game guys, we're playing the Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012. So guys, medyo GPU intensive tong game na to, pero as you can see guys, smooth pa din ang gameplay natin. We're running at medium settings. So for our specs, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G, 16GB of RAMs, dual channel, 3200 MHz. For our storage, we have the 512GB Team Group NVMe SSD. And for our PSU, we have the YGT 750W Top 1 PSU. Also guys, pwede natin palitan yung kulay ng ating fans dahil meron tong kasamang remote. So kung gusto niyo naman ng desktop package na lahat na to, for as low as 17,000, makukuha nyo na to lahat guys. System unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse, at meron pang freebies na speakers at USB Wi-Fi dongle pag kinuha nyo siya as a complete set. So kung naghahanap kayo ng super sulit at affordable na PC build, please send us a message on our Facebook page. Meron kaming same day delivery, COD, installments, home credit, credit card, at kung ano-ano pa na installment. So, message nyo na kami sa aming Facebook page for faster transactions. Kung malayo na kayo guys, still, nagdi-deliver po kami nationwide. Order lang po kayo dito sa aming TikTok shop. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video.